Just one more moment, that's all that's needed. Like wounded soldiers in need of healing. Time to be honest, this time I'm bleeding. Please don't dwell on it, 'cause I didn't mean it. I can't believe I said I'd lay our love on the ground, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I made it up. Forgive me now. Every day I spend away, my soul's inside out. Gotta be some way that I can make it up to you now. Somehow, by now you know that I come for you. No one but you. Yes, I'd come for you, but only if you told me to. I'd fight for you. I'd lie. It's true. Give my life for you. You know I'll always come for you. I was blindfolded, but now I'm seeing. My mind was closing, now I'm believing. I finally know just what it means to let someone in, to see the side of me that no one does or ever will. So if you're ever lost and find yourself all alone, I'd search forever just to bring you home, here and now. This I vow. By now you know that I come for you. No one but you. Yes, I'd come for you, but only if you told me to. I'd fight for you. I'd lie. It's true. Give my life for you. You know I'll always come for you. You know I'll always come for you. No matter what gets in my way, as long as there's still life in me. No matter what, remember, you know I'll always come for you. Yes, I'd come for you. No one but you. Yes, I'd come for you, but only if you told me to.